You'll notice that MyEstateKit includes a 3-month free trial. Why 3 months? Because we want to give you enough time to thoughtfully work through the entire process. At the same time, we've learned that when there is no deadline, important tasks often get pushed into the future indefinitely. The 3-month timeframe provides enough flexibility while also encouraging meaningful progress. Our hope is simple, that you complete your planning. After the free trial, the platform transitions to a low-cost monthly subscription. This helps support ongoing software development, educational content creation, security, maintenance, and future improvements. However, our primary goal has never been subscriptions. Our goal is helping people complete their planning. If you finish everything during the free trial and no longer need the platform, we've accomplished our mission. Some users may choose to continue their subscription because of the additional value it provides. We are continually expanding our educational library with deeper content covering topics such as business planning, tax considerations, blended families, and other specialized situations. Subscribers may also benefit from ongoing reminders, task management tools, annual reviews, and future planning resources. We are also developing tools designed to help fiduciaries and loved ones navigate estate administration when the time comes. These resources will provide guidance, checklists, and educational support to help families carry out responsibilities with greater confidence and less stress. Estate planning isn't just about documents, it's about clarity, it's about preparation, it's about reducing burdens on the people you love. Most importantly, it's about creating a future that reflects your values and wishes. Thank you for choosing MyEstateKit. We're honored to help you plan with purpose and leave a legacy of love.